For all non-veg lover, fish is the most satisfying, nutritious and packed with a burst of Indian flavors. And for this, we usually cook fish twice or thrice in a week. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe, a delicious and delightful fish curry which is very different from the regular one. So let's check the ingredient to make this delicious fish curry. And the ingredients are red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, with that our lovely fishes, and few other masala. With that tomato, garlic, red chili or green chili, cumin seed and coriander seeds. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, take the fish. Over here I am using sea bass. You can use any fish of your choice which is regularly available in your place. Into this add salt and a pinch of turmeric powder. Quickly rub both the sides and marinate it for 2 to 3 minutes before frying it. Now on a heated pan add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once the oil heats up slowly slide the marinated fish and fry it in a medium high flame until it turns golden from all the sides. This frying process will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes. Though many people doesn't like to fry the fish, they want to add directly to the simmering curry, but I personally prefer to fry the fish lightly. On the other side, take a mixer grinder, add 3 medium-sized tomato, cut it into small pieces, then add 3 to 4 green chilies depend upon your taste bud. Then add 8 to 10 garlic pod and half teaspoon of cumin seed and coriander seeds, then make a fine paste. Once you are done with the paste, then we will add this to the oil directly. Though I always prefer to blend the tomato masala to give the curry or the gravy a thicker texture with superior flavor, this is what makes the dish the best. After adding the paste, add half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per your taste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Quickly stir it well, then cook in a low flame for 4 to 5 minutes until the raw smell from the masala goes away. As this recipe is easily adaptable and you can play around with the ingredients. If you love yogurt in your fish curry, feel free to add some while you make the curry. Now our masala is completely done. Add the fried fish and then add half cup of water. Though depend upon the need of the gravy, you can adjust the water level. After adding the water, add 3 to 4 slitted green chili from above and cook in a low flame for further 4 to 5 minutes before our recipe is completely done. Now our spicy and tangy delicious fish curry is ready to serve. As this is such a simple yet heartwarming meal and is perfect for leisurely weekend lunches. I usually serve this with steamed basmati rice and a salad for a quick wholesome meal. Be sure to make extras as this one disappears really fast. Trust me, now, if you think today's recipe is worth it, what are you waiting for? Subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again. Bye bye.